Transferring money from HSBC to Revolut is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, open the Revolut application and tap on Transfers. Then select New and then choose Bank Account Recipient. Enter HSBC's bank details, which can be found on HSBC's website. Enter your HSBC account number and the amount you want to transfer. Add a reference if necessary and tap on Continue. Review the transfer details and tap on Send to complete the transaction. Be aware of any fees associated with the transfer. HSBC may charge fees for international wire transfers, and Revolut may have specific terms regarding incoming transfers. International transfers can take time. Check with both HSBC and Revolut for estimated processing times.